This is my 2019 DaVinci Troy, and like your bike, it didn't come with a kickstand. So today, we're going to build a crank-style bike stand for under $10. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. Most people that have nice bikes know that they don't come with kickstands, and so usually if your bike's in the house and you've got animals, they'll climb on it and kind of knock the bike over, or if you've got kids, they tend to knock it over. We looked online and seen a couple Scorpion stands, and I like that design, but I thought, well, we can probably build that ourselves. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to build a Scorpion mount. So I know everyone puts their bike up against the wall like this, and the bike shifts around and it wants to fall, or you're leaning up against your brake levers. And so this is my 2019 DaVinci Troy. It has GX cranks in there. We've got a 1/2 inch dowel that we bought. This is a little bigger than a 1/2 inch. It's closer to about 0.70 inches, but we didn't want it to be too tight going in. And so we went ahead and went with a 1/2 inch. We also have the larger one if we decide to go bigger in the future. But hold on, we'll show you the plans. So this is what we bought. This is a, excuse me, I said it wrong. It's a 5/8 inch dowel. And so a little bit bigger than a 1/2 inch. And that guy goes in there, and that will hold up the bike. So basically we're going to take this shape, which is a 2x6, about 14 inches long, and we're going to cut our own design out of that, and then we're going to drill a hole for the dowel and glue it into place. We'll cut us a 45 out of a piece of 2x6 for down here, and this piece of board I'm guessing is about 14 inches wide, and we'll probably cut it somewhere in the 14 to 16 inch range. But we'll as we kind of make plans for this, we'll update you on the exact dimensions in case you guys want to build these at home. First thing we're going to do, since we know what board that we're going to use for the 90-degree piece, and we know what size and shape we want this to be, we decided to take this, put it there, and trace out a line. Now we're going to cut this out with the circular saw. Always remember to put on your safety glasses and your earplugs. So the dowel is 5/8 of an inch, guys, and this is a 1/2 inch shank, 5/8 inch drill bit. So using the right tool for the right job. Perfect. Is that it?
That's it.
That is one sharp bit, sir. Is that like tungsten carbide or something?
Yep.
Got like a cap, about that big, a round circular cap.
Just a paint can cap.
Perfect. Got our rough cut shape. We're going to take the grinder and just smooth out some of these rough areas, and that way we'll get ready to start cutting our base board. Call that 7.5 and 7.5 is 15, so we want to give it 15 inches plus the thickness of the board, correct? 7 inches on the dot. 3.5 center. Okay guys, these are 2.5 inch screws that we went with right here. right here in the middle. Spin this as I'm putting it in there, and then okay. Now let's go to our 45 piece. Get it set. And every time, guys, every time I got to put this bike back, I'm trying to figure out a way to get it to set on this uneven ground without it falling. So this is the exact reason to build one of these. If you guys got some extra wood at the house and a little bit of time, highly recommend it. Hopefully that'll stay there without falling. Okay guys, let's get the camera and show you what we ended up with. Let me get the tape measure and we'll give you guys some dimensions, okay? So the base is 16.5 inches. The dowel itself is 8 inches. Now that is for a SRAM GX crankset, the dub crankset. And this fits loose enough to where it slides in nice and easy. And this is a 5/8 inch dowel, okay? We went with a piece of 2x6 here for this piece, and we measured it 7 inches and then took a paint cap and just trimmed around that. I'll still have to go around and kind of smooth that out. If I can get some time, I'll smooth that out and make it prettier. For the support brace here, we literally just traced a standard woodworker's triangle. So we've got a 90-degree right here, and then from edge to edge, we got dead on 7 inches and dead on 7 inches. So it's 7 inches by 7 inches, okay? The base itself is 5/8 inch thick wood, and this piece we cut right at 14 inches tall. Now your bottom bracket is probably going to be different than mine. Unless you own a Da Vinci Troy, your bottom bracket's probably going to be a little different than mine, so you may have to take a different measurement. But I've seen a lot of these online. They sell 50 and up, and so you know, I think I've got $3 in the dowel We had the extra wood just laying around, and the 2.5-inch screws laying around, and then the little bit of time that it took to build us, which is a lot faster than it would even take to say order this from Amazon or go down to your local bike shop and pick one up. So yeah, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and get back to this thing and see about getting some paint on it. So this is what we ended up with. Still drying, so we'll give it some time to do that. But pretty decent little little scorpion stand for little to next to no money. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Thanks for joining us as we build this. First time we build one. I've got some extra dowel and some extra wood, so I may build another one of these to have laying around the house, but that'll probably be another day. Anyway, we appreciate you coming out. Remember to stay on your bike, and if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Shoot us any questions you've got down in the comments, and we'll do our best to always get back with everybody. So until next time, guys, stay on your bike. Woo!